Hello folks, this is Charles here at Nutrition 101 by Charles. You can find me on YouTube, Jazz OCR Athlete and Health, Fitness, and OCR, here to make with you today overnight oats. Okay, so you probably heard a lot about that. It's kind of a new craze. My personal preference is Bob's Red Mill Steel Cut Oats. Organic. Biggest problem with grains, a lot of people don't get organic grains, so not realizing it's a highly sprayed grain. All right, so let's start with the liquid. Okay. It would be coconut milk to start with. All right. You can use almond milk. You can use regular milk, I guess. Make sure you shake it well. I use the one by Trader Joe's. Okay. I'll probably just use half the can on that. Yeah, remember the ratio for oats to liquid is probably going to be that half and half. And you can always make the adjustment when it sits out overnight. If you see that it's too liquidy, you add more oats. If you see it's too many oats, you're going to add more liquid. If it's too dry. Yeah. So there. Alright. So it's pretty much, you can see the oats at the top of this thing, sort of. A little more. Alright. Also, I could use coconut sugar or stevia. Then I use these guys. You want them to taste good, so I do 2 teaspoons of that. Cinnamon. Never had enough cinnamon, that's for sure. Oh, that one doesn't fit in there, so you can just kind of sprinkle it in. And a quart of vanilla. Everything required, all these recipes require just like a teaspoon of vanilla or less, or I always put more than what it says because it's never affected my recipe in anything I do. I always like extra vanilla. My pancakes, my waffles, if I eat those. My oats for sure. Alright. I'm also gonna make this a little extra boosted. Got some organic chia seeds. Like my son says, chia seeds. Chia seeds. And that is this is like a medicine cup. It's usually like 20 milliliters per cup. They have the big one, the 30 milliliter cup. Then we take our right here, shake it up. And you can see the chia seeds kind of floating around there. Hopefully all that will settle in. And you could even do this with just chia seeds and make like a chia seed pudding, or you can do just oats and no chia seed. Either way, they're both gelatinous fibers, meaning like when you add liquid to them, they expand, right, and become almost like, well, chia seeds more than oats, but they become a little more gelatinous. They're also soluble fibers, right? That means they expand basically when water gets added to them. An insoluble fiber would be something like celery. Right? So you try that out. Make sure it tastes good, which it does. See, according to my liking. And leave that overnight. Yeah. Again, I use coconut milk. You can see it there. I'll wait till that stuff to get nice and thick. And hopefully you'll be able to eat it like it's almost like a thick oatmeal. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is Charles here at Nutrition 101, making overnight oats.